In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create PDF files in Python. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this tutorial where we will delve into creating PDF files using IronPDF for Python. So we've already installed the IronPDF project. So let's go ahead and open up the main.py file to get started. So here we start with importing our necessary namespaces and then setting the license key. So let's apply our IronPDF license key to ensure that we have access to all of the library's features. We'll use the license_key method to set our key. Next, we'll create a PDF from a simple HTML string. We'll start by instantiating a Chrome PDF renderer object. And using the render HTML as PDF method, we'll generate a PDF and save it as HTML string _to_PDF.pdf. We can also create a PDF from an existing HTML file. Again, we instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and use the render HTML as PDF method to render the PDF, saving it as HTML file _to_PDF.pdf. Additionally, IronPDF allows us to create a PDF from a URL. So we'll render the PDF from a given URL using the render URL as PDF method and save it as url.pdf. Lastly, we can add a password to our PDF for security. So we set a password using the pdf.securitysettings.userPassword and save the protected PDF as protected.pdf. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. All right, so let's review our generated PDFs. First, we have HTML string _to_PDF.pdf. We created this using a basic HTML string. So this PDF contains a heading and a paragraph, basically demonstrating how easy it is to convert HTML content to a PDF format. Next, we have the HTML file _to_PDF.pdf, and that's generated from an HTML file. This showcases the capability of IronPDF to handle full HTML files and then convert them accurately to PDF documents, of course, preserving the layout and formatting of the original HTML. And the URL.pdf is rendered from a live URL. And this feature is particularly useful when you want to capture web pages as PDFs, allowing you to archive web content or share web page snapshots in a portable and consistent format. And finally, we have protected.pdf secured with a password. And this demonstrates IronPDF's ability to enhance the security of your PDFs so that only those with the password can have access to its sensitive information. And that's it, creating PDFs using IronPDF in Python. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and subscribe if you'd like some more helpful tutorials from us. And if you haven't tried out our software yet, there's a link in the description that'll take you to our site. You can download, install it, and check out the power of the software yourself.